How to set the contrast to standard, medium, or high in developer options on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Then in the settings page, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on developer options. Next, we scroll down and then tap on contrast. From here, you could choose standard, medium, or high. So select one of the options and then tap on done. So the contrast feature in the developer options on the device allows you to adjust the color contrast on your screen. This can be useful for improving visibility, customizing the display, and testing app compatibility. By adjusting the contrast, you can make the colors on your screen more or less distinct, providing a more personalized viewing experience. And that's it. After that, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.